But in your notebook, till which question we have done? In your
Wait a
notebook.
second.
I think we have done till question number 1, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So exercise 9.1, question number 1. Let's let's revise a little bit. Okay. So yeah, Hiba, can you list 5 rational numbers between minus 2 by 3 and 6 by 7, or not 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7.
Okay.
How are you going to do this?
First, we're going to find the LCM of 3 and 7, which
Very
is going
good.
to be 21.
21, very good. Then
We will multiply 3 by something that will give us 21. So it will be 7. So we will do the same with 2 minus 2.
Very
It
good.
will be minus 14 by 21. And then we will do the same thing with minus 6 by 7. Then it will give us minus 18 by 21.
Very good. Minus 18 by 21. All right. So this becomes minus 18 by 21. So our two fractions are this and this. So between these two, will you be able to find any 5 rational numbers between them? If you look at it like this, minus 15 by 21, minus 16 by 21, and minus 17 by 21. That's it. We have to find 5 rational numbers. Over here we have only 3. So what will we do? Yes, Eba?
We will add them.
We'll add them. We will write them as minus 140 by 210. Okay, what are we doing? We're just multiplying by 10. So minus 14 by 21 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. And we even discussed that it is totally your choice which number you want to multiply it with. You can multiply it with 6, 7, 8, anything. But since the calculation with 10 is very easy, you just have to put a 0 here. That's why we do it with 10. Okay?
Okay.
And then what will this one become?
100 minus 180 by 210.
Yes. Now can you find any 5 rational numbers between them? It's very easy now. You can very easily find 5 rational numbers between them.
It will be 179 by 210. 178
minus.
Yeah, minus 178 by 210, minus 176 by 210, minus 175 by 210, and minus 174 by 210.
Very good. All right. Now let's come to the second question. Can you read it out, please?
Yeah. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns.
So now what is given to you is a pattern. Okay. So in this pattern, let's see what's the first one. Minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20, and you're supposed to find 3 more numbers along the same pattern, like which is following this pattern. What is the pattern here? Can you recognize?
Yeah, it is all minus in the denominator.
That is fine there. See, the numerator, then what they are basically doing is minus 3 by 5 is there. This they are multiplying the numerator and denominator with 2. That is the pattern.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So when you multiply it with 2, you get minus 6 by 10. Then you multiply it with 3. Right? You get minus 9 by 15.
We only have to multiply the first number.
Yeah. You see, it's up to you. You have to recognize the pattern. What is the pattern? The pattern is that here you can see 3, 6, 9, 12. What are these? These are all numbers in the table of 3, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. These are numbers in the table of 3. And these, the denominator, these are all 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We know that this is the table of 5. So now what have we noticed here? That minus 3 by 5, you multiply this whole fraction, numerator and denominator, both of them, by 2, you get this. Then you multiply the first number by 3, you get this. Then into 4, you get this. Now what will the next one be?
Minus 12 by 20.
That is already there. Now what is the next one gonna be? You're supposed to write
minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 4.
Okay.
That will be, and both the numbers will be multiplied by 4. So we will get 12 by 20, minus 12 by 20.
That's already there. I'm asking next one. After this, you have to write 3 more. Sorry, 4 more.
Oh, that. So minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 5.
Very good.
Give us minus 10. No, sorry, minus 15 by 25. Then minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 6. Minus 18 by 30. Then minus.
Okay, Hiba, see, just do one thing. Just keep on in the numerator. Just think about the table of 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator, just think about the table of 5. So after 30, what comes in the table of 5? 30 ke baad kya aata hai?
33.
In the table of 5, bache. The denominator is table of 5, na?
Oh, sorry. 35.
Yes, 35. So 35 तो यहाँ पे हो गया. And 35 फिर next वाले में क्या होगा? 30 यहाँ पे denominator में 5 वाले table में 40. Very good. Now let's look at the numerator. 15, 18. अब 3 के टेबल में 18 के बाद क्या आता है? 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are
21.
minus 21 लगा दिया, because over here everywhere it's minus minus minus. Then 3 7 are 21. फिर next 3 8
minus 24 by 40.
Very good. So these are the 4 things that we wanted. Did you understand how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's come to the second part. Can you solve it now? It's very easy, the second part.
Okay, I will solve and then tell you. Okay, I found it.
Tell me.
From the starting or just
Yeah,
the
after
four?
after this, after minus 3 by 12.
It will be minus 1 by 4 multiplied by 4. So it will be minus 4 by 16.
Yeah.
Then minus 5 by 26.
Why
Minus
5 by 26?
Sorry, 20.
Hmm.
And then minus 6 by 24.
Yes.
And then minus 7 by 28.
Very good. Okay. Now next one, third part. Can you do the third part as a homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me give you a hint. In the third part, don't get confused. So it's like minus 1 by 6 and 2 by minus 12. So don't get confused. This just treat it, this minus sign, treat it as if it is here in the denominator, because it's the same thing, right? Whether
Yeah.
it is there in the numerator or denominator, is the same thing, it doesn't matter. So just treat it like that. Or what you can do is you can just remove the negative sign from the denominator and keep it in front of the fraction like this.
What does that mean?
What does what mean?
Like keeping the negative sign in front of the line.
Last class also I told you that in fractions, it doesn't matter whether the negative sign is over here in the numerator or it is in the denominator like it's given in the question, or it is in front of the fraction. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Okay. So there are three different ways of writing it. Just
So when it is in front of the fraction, it means that the both numbers are in negative.
No. That doesn't mean that. Just what did I say, Hiba? If whether you write minus 1 by 6 like this, or you write minus 1 by 6 like this, or you write 1 by minus 6, these are all the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
If you write minus 1 by minus 6, this and this are not same. Minus 1 by minus 6, this minus and minus gets cancelled. Remember, we saw this in last class.
Yeah.
So it becomes 1 by 6. So it's the opposite. This is minus 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. Getting it? So this is basically, this is a particular number, and this thing is negative of that number. So it's not the same thing. Understood?
Yeah.
All right. So what I was telling you in this question is that don't get confused that first wale fraction mein to the negative sign is on top, but next wale mein it is in the denominator. So don't get confused. It's the same thing. Fine.
Okay.
And so the same thing goes for the fourth question as well.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So can you do both of these as homework?
Yeah.
All right. Next, third question.
Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7.
Equivalent means what? Do you remember equivalent fractions?
Like both numbers are same.
For example, Hiba, if I say 2 by 3 and I say 4 by 6, they are both equivalent fractions because when you cancel this, it becomes 2 by 3. Or in other words, you can say that 2 by 3 ko upar niche same number se multiply karne se, I get 4 by 6. Yes. So that's why 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fractions. So remember this word, equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal value.
Okay.
So yeah, tell me now minus 2 by 7 ke 4 equivalent rational numbers. कैसे find करेंगे?
Minus 4.
Very good. आपने किस चीज से मल्टीप्लाई किया है? You're multiplying it with 2 ना? Very good.
Yeah.
So minus 4 by
14.
14. Excellent. Then 3 से multiply करके क्या होगा?
We have to multiply minus 2 by 7 by 3.
Yeah, this thing.
Okay, wait a second. It will be minus 6 by 21.
Very good. Excellent. Then minus
Then
2 by 7 if you multiply it with 4.
Minus 8 by 28.
Very good. Then
It will be minus 10 by 35.
very good. Excellent. So you can do the rest 2 questions as homework.
Yeah.
Do it after your English exam gets over, okay? Don't do it
Okay.
before your English exam. All right.
Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Wait a second. Okay, you can continue.
So draw the number line.
Okay. I have drawn it.
Okay. अच्छा, so आपने जो number line बनाई है, उसमें what we can do is, there are many ways. Either you can do it like this, एक 0 यहाँ पे कर लिया, एक 1 यहाँ पे कर लिया. You divide it into 4 parts, right?
Yeah.
So we can make it like this. This is the simplest way of representing it. हमने the distance between 0 and 1, we have divided it into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So which one will be 3 by 4? Which point? This is 1, 2, no wait, 1, this is 0. Then there are 4 parts. Now tell me which one is 3 by 4?
The one beside 1.
Very good. This is 3 by 4, right? So this is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4.
Why do we have to write 4 as the numerator?
Numerator.
Sorry, denominator.
What is the question asking? Read out the question, bacha.
Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it.
First part kya hai uska?
Draw the number line.
No, first part of the question. What is the first part?
3 by 5. 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. So 3 by 4 hai na? Denominator kya hai? What is the denominator?
4.
4. So did you get your answer now?
Yeah.
Good. Second part.
Wait.
So first of all, tell me it's minus 5 by 8. So that means it should be between 0 and minus 1. Yes?
Yeah.
So let's say this is minus 1, this is 0, and we have to divide this thing into how many parts? 8 parts, because denominator is 8.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, आप करिए draw minus 5 by 8.
Okay. Why did you write minus 1?
Minus 1. Okay. Tell me minus 5 by 8 किन दो numbers के बीच में आएगा?
Minus 10 and 0.
Minus 10? Okay. Tell me one thing. 5 by 8 imagine करिए. Okay. If I am asking you to find 5 by 8. First tell me 5 by 8 is greater than 1 or bigger or smaller than 1?
Greater.
Is greater than 1? अच्छा. 5 by 8 and 8 by 8. इन दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है?
8 by 8.
ओके, 8 by 8 को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
4 by 4.
4 by 4, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
2 by 2.
उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
1 by 1. So 1.
1. So this can be written as 1. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
So 5 by 8, 5 by 8, it is lesser than 1 or greater than 1?
It is lesser than 1. No, sorry.
It is right in front of you.
It's greater than 1.
अभी हमने क्या देखा हिबा? Did you understand how we got this? Do you want me to repeat?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's lesser than 1,
Forget
right?
about this entire thing. Tell me one sec. No need to hurry. We're coming at that. First tell me 1 by 2. ये lesser than 1 है, greater than 1 है?
Lesser than 1.
Okay. 3 by 4. Less than 1, greater than 1?
Less than 1.
Okay. 5 by 10. Okay, not 5 by 10. Let's say 5 by 14. Less than 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
Good. Then 6 by 10. Less or greater?
Less.
Okay. 5 by 8. Less or greater?
Less.
तो आपने क्या सोच के कहा कि why is it less than 1? Can you explain it to me? Why are all of these? Not just 5 by 8. I'm talking about all of these. इन सारे में आपने less than 1 क्यों बोला?
Because 1 is greater than all of them.
Why is 1 greater than these numbers? हाँ जी. think. Why is 1 greater than these numbers? या फिर आपने, अच्छा, अगर मैं आपको कोई और नंबर दूं, let's say, okay fine, let me give you this number, 7 by 5. Is this number greater than 1 or less than 1?
Greater and less than.
This is less than 1. Okay. अभी इस पे आते हैं, 1 मिनट. 5 by 5. Is this less than 1 or greater than 1?
Equal to 1.
Very good. It is equal to 1. ठीक है. अब आप जरा इधर ध्यान दीजिए. 5 by 5, it is equal to 1. तो अब if I have any number that is smaller than 5, if I say 4 by 5, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Basically 1 second, 1 minute रुको. This is equal to 1, right? This is 1. Now tell me, if I have 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, any of these numbers, they are all less than 1. ठीक?
Yeah.
If I have a number which is greater than this number, 6 by 5, first tell me, अब आप इन दोनों को देखो सिर्फ, 5 by 5 और 6 by 5, which one is greater?
6
by 5. So what did we see? That 6 by 5 is less than 5 by, 6 by 5 is greater than 5 by 5. Yes?
Yeah.
5 by 5 क्या है actually?
1.
It is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. So that's why 6 by 5 is greater than 1. ठीक? 7 by 5 is also greater than 1. 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, whatever number you take, which is greater than this 5 over here, then it will be greater than 1. समझ में आई बात?
Yeah.
ठीक है, 1 को we can write it as 5 by 5. 1 को here we can write it as 5 by 5. So why is this happening? हिबा, हमने ये चीज देखी थी when we were talking about proper fractions and improper fractions. कि जो proper fractions होते हैं, these, all of these are proper fractions. Can you tell me what are proper fractions, हिबा?
The denominator is smaller.
Very good. The denominator is greater, sorry, है ना? The denominator is bigger than the numerator. Yes?
Okay, okay.
These are called proper fractions. And proper fractions are all less than 1. जो भी आपको fraction मिलेगा, जिसमें numerator is smaller than the denominator, this fraction will be, इसकी value will be less than 1. समझ में आया?
Yeah.
And इसका opposite देख लो कि कोई भी improper fractions होंगे, मतलब numerator बड़ा है denominator से, then that will be greater than 1. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now tell me, 7 by 5 is?
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1. Very good. Now coming to the thing कि 5 by 8 is less than 1. ठीक है, अब आपको समझ में आ गया कि ये सारे numbers आपने less than 1 क्यों बोले थे?
Yeah.
Good. Now,
wait.
So we
all
said
these
5.
numbers are greater than 1.
Less than 1, बच्चे. They are all proper fractions. Look at the numerator. Look at the denominator. कौन सा बड़ा है इनमें?
Okay.
The numerator is smaller than the denominator in each of these cases, right?
Yeah.
That is why they are all less than 1. Because अभी आप इसको देखो, for example, 3 by 4 को देखो. So we can write 1 as 4 by 4. 1 is equal to 4 by 4. Yes. So 3 by 4 is obviously less than 4 by 4. That is why 3 by 4 is less than 1. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, coming to this point that 5 by 8 is less than 1. Acha, 5 by 8 is greater than 0 or not?
Can you repeat that again?
5 by 8 is greater than 0 or not?
It is greater.
Yeah. That means अब हम क्या कह रहे हैं? हम कह रहे हैं कि 5 by 8 जो है वो 0 से बड़ा है लेकिन 1 से छोटा है. So what does that mean? That 0 and 1 के बीच में lie करता है ना 5 by 8?
Yeah.
Right? So 5 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. So similarly, minus 5 by 8 जो होगा, minus 5 by 8, that will lie between 0 and minus 1. Are you understanding?
Yeah, but minus 5 comes before minus 1.
Sorry?
Minus 5 comes before minus 1. So why can't we write it like that?
I didn't get you. Minus 5 comes before minus 1?
No, minus 5 comes before minus 1.
No, that's what you're saying. You are saying minus 5 comes before minus 1.
Yeah, it goes like this. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2.
No, it doesn't come before, bacha. That's not called before. That's called after. Because you start your counting from 0. So it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then minus 5. I mean, you can, it depends on, you can say before also in some contexts. Like if you are starting your counting from here, then you will say after. If you are starting your counting from negative infinity, then you will say before. But Hiba, minus 5, okay. So you are saying that minus 5 is less than minus 1. That's what you are saying, no?
Yeah.
You are saying that minus 5 comes over here. Just a sec. -5 comes over here, then why are we saying that it will lie over here? That's your concern?
Yeah.
बच्चा, is this -5, ये जो number है, is it 5 or is it -5? क्या ये -5 है या is it -5/8?
-5/8.
Are they the same thing? -5 and -5/8?
No.
No. Now tell me one thing. Let's say I draw a number line over here. And I am asking you to show 5/8. ठीक है? Just 5/8. Positive 5/8 है ये. So will it be between 0 and 1 or will it be somewhere else?
Can you repeat the question again?
5/8. Just now we had seen. Where did we see it? Yeah, this 5/8. ठीक है? इसको याद करो. And now again tell me, 5/8 will lie in this region या फिर will it lie somewhere else?
In that region.
Why? Why will it lie in that region? Now I will pose a question to you. By 5 though is over here, no? Or let me rewrite this entire thing. One sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will say, Hiba, 5 comes after 1. 5 तो यहाँ पे है. 5 is over here. Then why are you saying that 5/8 will be over here? Answer my question.
Because 5 comes after 1.
5 comes after 1. But so that is my concern. I am saying that 5 comes over here. So why are we saying that 5/8 will be in this orange region? 5 तो यहाँ पे है ना, तो shouldn't the 5/8 be over here? Why is it over here? Think and tell me.
Because 5 is after 1.
5 is after 1. That is what I'm asking. जो आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना about -5/8 कि भाई -5 is comes before 1 before -1, then why is -5/8 over here? The same thing I am asking you.
Because it's not 5, it's 5/8.
It's 5/8. See, bacha, if I say 6/8, does that mean कि वो आगे 6 में जाके होगा? No. See, 6 point something जब हम कहेंगे, if I say 6 point something, that is different. Let's say if I say 6.5, then yes, okay, 6 छोड़िए. Let's say if I say 4.5 or not 4.5, 4 point, let's say 72. ठीक? If I say 4.72, then this number will lie, क्योंकि ये 4.72 है, it is 4 point something, so it will lie after 4. 4 और 5 के बीच में होगा ये, है ना?
Yeah.
But if I say 4 by, let's say 4/9, 4/9, then it is not, it's सिर्फ ये 4 देख के we can't say that, oh, it is going to be somewhere near 4. No. This number basically means 0 plus 4/9. जिस तरह we have 1 2/3. क्या मतलब हुआ इस नंबर का? 1 plus 2/3, which means 3 plus 2, which is 5. So 5/3. So 5/3 का क्या मतलब हुआ? Will we say that it lies somewhere near 5? No. हम इसका decimal निकालेंगे and it will be 1 point something. 1 point maybe 6.
How will it become 5/3?
बच्चा, mixed fraction आपको solve करना आता है? How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Yeah. You convert this and tell me.
It will be 5/3.
Understood?
Yeah.
So this 5 by 3, it will be equal to 1 point something like, I haven't exactly calculated this, but it will be something like this. तो आप ये सिर्फ 5, इस 5 को देख के आप नहीं कह सकते कि oh this will be near 5. The 5 by 3 means we will convert this into this type of mixed fraction. We will say it is 1 plus something. That means 1 plus and plus a proper fraction. So 1 plus something. So it will be somewhere over here. Similarly, आप इस decimal से देख के बता सकते हो कि 1.66, 1 point something. So it will be in this region. ठीक है? Looking at the numerator, you can't say anything. Numerator is only a part of the fraction. समझ में आई बात?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you tell me this, where did it go? Yeah, -1. So we were talking about -5 by 8. It will be between 0 and -1. Yes.
Yeah.
Now is it clear why will it be between 0 and -1? इसी चीज को समझाने के लिए I gave you this example कि 5 by 8 का देख लो आप. If you are getting confused looking at the negative sign, then आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आप imagine करो कि ये नेगेटिव साइन नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो आप पॉजिटिव में उसको कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? उसको आप 0 और 1 के बीच में लगाते, है ना? तो द सेम थिंग यू विल डू फॉर द नेगेटिव पार्ट. यू विल से ओके, अगर ये नेगेटिव होगा तो ये 0 और -1 के बीच में होगा. बात समझ में आई?
Yeah.
Okay, now how many parts should we divide this thing into? 8. Denominator is 8, है ना? Denominator over here is 8, so we're going to divide it into 8 parts. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So how do you start the counting? You will start it from 0, -1 by 8, -2 by 8, and so on.
So in the second last fourth.
ठीक है? So over here, this is our -5 by 8. Is that clear, Hiba?
Yeah. Can you give me 1 minute to write it down?
Yeah.
Okay, we can continue.
All right. Okay, so Hiba, next question, -7/4. -7/4 को first thing that we need to do is पहले माइनस साइन थोड़ा साइड रखिए. ये जो 7/4 है, convert this into a mixed fraction. या फिर one more way to do this, there are two ways to do this, okay? या तो आप इसको mixed fraction में convert करिए, जैसा कि हमने यहाँ पे where did it go? Yeah, here. Over here we did. ठीक है? 1 2/3 को we converted into 5/3 को we converted into mixed fraction 1 plus 2/3. तो then we knew, अच्छा ठीक है, 1 plus 2/3 होगा. That means 1 के बाद हम if we divide this 1 और 2 के बीच में जो distance है, इसको हम 3 parts में divide कर लें, 1 2 3. तो 2/3 is this thing, right? So this is 1 2/3. In other words, it is 5/3. So एक तरीका ये है कि we convert it into a mixed fraction. The other way is that we convert it into a decimal. Okay, which one do you want to do?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Okay, so -7/4. अब आप मुझे सबसे पहले 7/4 का mixed fraction बताइए क्या होगा.
Okay, wait. It will be 1 3/4.
1 3/4. Yes.
-1 3/4.
-1 3/4. So that means you take this number line 0 and किस चीज के बीच में होना चाहिए? -1 के बीच में, बिकॉज ये -1 और फिर एडिशनल 3/4 आपको जाना है. 1 तो जाना ही है. आई एम सॉरी, इट वोंट बी ओवर हियर. You have to go from 1 -1 and then additional 3/4. So this is -1 -2. So 1 2 3 4. So there's 4 divisions in this. So this thing over here, this point is -1 1/4, -1 2/4, -1 3/4. Did you understand this, Hiba?
Why are we going back now?
Hiba, these are negative numbers, right? Counting कहाँ से शुरू होती है? For negative numbers, it starts from here, from the right side. Yes? So we go in this direction.
But why did you write -2?
Where? This.
Yeah.
Look at 1 2/3 and tell me it is lying between which two things? Which two whole numbers?
1 and 2.
It is lying between 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
1 और 2 के बीच में है. Similarly, over here it is between -1 and -2.
Okay. And
Got it?
Yeah.
Because देखो हिबा, see, if it is what is the counting? -1 1/4, -1 2/4, -1 3/4. तो इसका next क्या होगा? -1 4/4. 4/4 is what? 1 itself. So 1 and 1 क्या बन गया? 2. So this -2. So that is why इसका जो next step होगा -1 4/4, it is nothing but -2 itself.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Shall we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. D part, 7/8. This is easy. You can do this.
Yeah. Okay, I've completed.
Okay. Can you send it to me maybe on WhatsApp so that I can check it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very good. हिबा, one more thing, जो last में आपने 8/8 लिखा है ना, write that as, उसमें side में छोटा सा write it as equal to 1. ठीक है?
Okay.
Just 8/8 equal to 1. बाकी सब as it is, just leave it like that. It's perfectly fine. Just this thing 8/8 के बाद equal to 1 लिख दो.
Okay, I wrote it.
Okay. Shall we move forward?
Yeah.
5th question. Can you read it?
The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, and B on the number line are such that TR equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQR and S.
Very good. ठीक है. अब now don't get confused by this thing TA. What is this TR is equal to RS is equal to SU? What they mean to say is that जैसे आपका ये this is -2 -1. So when they are saying that this is let's say this is T, R, S and U, they are saying कि TR, just a sec, TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं है. It just means that this entire portion is divided into 3 equal parts. That's all. Don't get confused by it. Okay.
Okay.
So 3 equal parts का क्या मतलब हुआ? This will be what? R will be
-1/2.
No. See, -1/2 क्या होता है हेबा? -1/2 means this is 0, this is -1. इनके बीच का जो पॉइंट है, this is -1/2. -1/2 lies between 0 and -1. But what are we having over here? -2 and -1.
Yeah.
So now can you tell me? See, let me give you a hint. Counting, when we are talking about negative numbers, so counting starts in this direction, right? So -1, -2, -1, -2, -3 ऐसे करके जाएंगे हम. Yes?
Yeah.
So -1 के बाद अब जरा काउंटिंग शुरू करिए. First of all, you tell me, this is divided, this entire portion is divided into how many parts? 3 parts.
Yeah.
So this will be something by 3, something by 3, something by 3. Yes?
Yeah.
So -1, because -1 already hai. So -1, 1/3, -1, 2/3, and this -2 is also, it can be written as -1, 3/3. तो ये आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. But are you understanding this part, Hiba? That -1, 1/3. Now you should know कि ये -1 क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम? Because we are writing this -1 because of this, because it is coming after -1. So -1, 1/3. 1/3 क्यों? Because it is the first part out of these 3 parts. -1, 2/3, because 2/3 क्यों? Because it is the second part out of the 3 parts. समझ में आया?
Yeah.
Good. So now can you tell me the same thing for A, PQB. Yeah. Can you tell me?
It will be 3 by.
No, Hiba, this is positive. Positive में counting starts from the left. 2 के बाद 3 आ रहा है ना?
Yeah. So it will be 2 by.
First of all, you tell me denominator में क्या आएगा? How many divisions are there?
4. So 4.
4 divisions हैं?
No, 3.
Let me show you. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 divisions. So now tell me 3 divisions है तो denominator में क्या number आएगा? 3. So 2 1 by 3. Then
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Very good. And then what is 3? What can 3 be written as?
3 by
2 3 by 3.
3 by
right?
3.
So you don't have to write it like that. Leave it as 3 itself. But now here's the catch. Since we are doing rational numbers, तो इस chapter में आपको mixed fraction के form में नहीं लिखना, आपको पूरा as a rational number लिखना है. Rational number की क्या form होता है? किस तरह लिखते हैं? one number upon another number, है ना? In the form P by Q, ये आपने पढ़ा है. In the form P by Q. तो आपको इस फॉर्म में लिखना है, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखना. सो कैन यू प्लीज कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अ रैशनल नंबर फॉर्म?
1 minus 1 2 by 3.
-1 2 by 3 क्या हो जाएगा ये?
Wait a second. -6.
-6. बच्चे मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कैसे करते हैं?
Sorry, it will be minus. No, it will be a -8.
Hiba, -1 2 by 3. 3 into 1 is
4. Sorry, 3.
हम क्या करते हैं? This into this plus this. Yes, 3 into 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. So 5 by 3. याद आया?
Yeah, so yeah.
-5 by 3. Can you tell me the other number? ये जो R वाला number है?
Yeah. -4 by 3.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me P and Q also?
Yeah. 7 by 3. 8 by 3.
ठीक है, समझ में आ गया आपको?
Yeah.
Now in your answer you will write P is equal to 7 by 3, Q is equal to 8 by 3 and so on. ठीक है, R is equal to this, S is equal to this. इस तरह से लिखना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay.
Shall we move?
Yeah. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number?
-7 by 21 and 3 by 9. Is it the same thing or different?
Different.
Different. Obviously it is different because this is negative and this is positive. So they are different. ठीक? Second one.
Wait a second. -16 by 20 and 20 by -25.
Okay, let's do one thing now. Now we can see that both of them are negative, है ना? ये भी एक negative number है और ये भी एक negative number है. So -16 by 20, can we reduce it to its lowest form?
Yeah.
Okay, Hiba, we will end the class in like 2 minutes. Okay, another person has joined. Yeah.
Okay.
Reduce this. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. तो ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
-4/5. Now this number. Again, इसमें क्या कॉमन है? 5. 5
So
4s are 20.
4.
5 5s are 25. So this is also -4/5. So it is the same thing. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. The rest of them, can you do them by yourself?